360-degree reality.
Hey guys, so it's dark and I meant to film this straight after school, but your girl's a mess and forgot. So today's video is going to be a night routine, but I'm actually going to a Sweet 16 tonight, so this is going to be like a little get ready with me. This video is actually super exciting because it is a collab with Taylor Lehman. I love her videos so much. I've been watching her since like day one. We have needed to collab for such a long time, so I'm so happy that we can finally do it. I'm just gonna catch you guys up. So when I got home from school, I came upstairs, edited a video, uploaded it, and then I just went down like recently to eat a snack. I had banana bread, pretzels, and Oreos. So right now, I think I'm gonna get started with the video, so let's go.
Ain't nobody quite like you, got me falling through and through.
So the first thing I do when I get home from school is I change into comfy clothes. So right now I'm just wearing a tournament t-shirt and just like shorts. So I just finished watching YouTube and I'm actually gonna do like a little workout because I'm trying to get back into fitness, but I don't have enough energy to go to the gym. So I'm just gonna look up a little workout on YouTube and then do that. Okay, so I just looked and I found a Blogilates workout, so I'm gonna be doing that.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me.
So I just finished my first workout. It was just like a little 5-minute thing, and now I'm gonna do some legs.
Darling, you send me, darling, you send me, darling, you send me, darling, you send me, you send me, you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me.
So I think I'm about to take a shower and then I'm gonna paint my toenails because I really need to do that.
I'm not just a pretty girl.
I'm a fool for your label. It's outside out my
Alright boys, we done with my shower. I haven't lit this candle in so long, but we're gonna do it. So I have to paint my toes because I have to wear heels tonight and my toes without nail polish are actually disgusting. So I guess we're going with basic blue. Second foot is done. Now I just have to wait for these to dry and then I can add the top coat. This color is not the cutest on me, on my toes at least. Alright, so long time no vlog, but I'm ready for the Sweet 16. So my hair is all like curly. Earrings are in. I'm kind of obsessed with them. They're from Express. My entire outfit's from Express, and then I'm wearing this bracelet from Express. This little jumpsuit thing from Express. I'm kind of thriving because I actually think I look good for once, and that doesn't happen. I got her like a navy blue Sherpa hoodie thingy. And then before I go to the party, I have to stop at the store to get a card because I didn't do that, and I'm also getting her candy. See you later. Alright ladies, we're at Abigail's Sweet 16, having a dandy old time. I had to eat an Oreo in -5 seconds and it was not fun. Goodbye. I ate like 15 Shirley Temples because I can't have ice cream, and
you can't eat a Shirley Temple, stupid.
I drank, I slurped, I devoured, and this is all a dream.
Behind
the scenes of Reagan taking photos of the Abigail Plaza. Whoa.
Just but one bra!
technically.
It's her sweet 16.
That's why I wasn't gonna vlog.
I'm giving you all bags for candy to make you feel like
get
we're
fat.
inside.
Alright, so I'm home from the Sweet 16, obviously. I just took a shower. Mascara under my eyes, but what else is new? Nothing. I had so much fun. Thank you so much, Abby, for inviting me. She's like one of my closest friends, and love you, girly. Didn't want to pull up the vlog camera too much, and I told everyone that I wasn't vlogging because I don't want to be the one that just like controls every event and I'm just like, hey, like I'm vlogging. Like I don't want to do that, and I don't want to make people feel uncomfortable, so I did not do that. So there's not that much footage. You guys should all go subscribe to Taylor's channel. Her link and all the information to her channel will be in the description box. And thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new, by the way. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.